Adjusting the rear seat position. To adjust the rear seat position, lift the lever under the seat and slide the seat forward or backward. You can adjust the backrest angle by pulling the pull ring at the lower part of the seat and moving it forward or backward. After the adjustment, make sure to lock the seat into position. You can fold the seat backrest by pulling the pull ring and pushing the backrest forward. Pulling the pull ring and pushing the backrest backwards unfolds the seat. The operation is the same on both sides of the rear seats. After unfolding the backrest to the stop position, shake the backrest to make sure it is firmly locked in place.